Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SiteGround email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you set up email forwarding for one of your SiteGround website email accounts? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up email forwarding in your SiteGround website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have a lot of different websites and a lot of different emails. And if you forward those into one email box, it might make it a lot more simple to respond and reply to various emails. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SiteGround dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SiteGround, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up email forwarding for one of your domains, here on the top menu, go ahead and click on websites. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the domains or websites you have on SiteGround. However, to set up mail forwarding, just scroll down until you see the website that has the email. So for example, this one, and then off to the right, you want to click on Site Tools. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to scroll down until you see this one right here, email forwarders. If you don't see these buttons for some reason, don't worry. Here on the left side, you can easily click on email. It looks like an envelope. Once you do that, it's going to open up, and then you can click on forwarders. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options right here, forward and discard. So if we're going to be setting up email forwarding, you're going to go ahead and choose the email right here. So for example, if it's an admin, I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Okay, so now we have admin at my URL. Now any email that goes here, it's going to be forwarded on to this address that we put in here. So the cool thing is it doesn't necessarily need to be an email that you have with SiteGround or even related to this domain. You can go ahead and use a Gmail if you wanted to. So let's go ahead and just type in a Gmail. Okay, so I went ahead and typed in a fake Gmail. You can see right here. So basically what this is telling the system is that any email that goes to this email address and is received through my SiteGround website, it's automatically going to forward it to this email. Now you're not quite finished until you click on create. Okay, so a quick second later, the page refreshes, you'll see this green check mark. And if we look down here, we have that rule. So this email will automatically forward to this Gmail until you come in here and then delete this rule. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on mail forwarding for your email, one of your SiteGround websites, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.